Dahil nandito tayo ngayon sa Taytay, ipapa-experience ng Daddy kay Sevi yung kanyang mga ginagawa dito sa bahay. Number 1, anong ginagawa mo dito, Daddy?
I did this in school.
Aba, may madam. May madam na supervise. Daddy, papakita mo kay Sevi paano ka mag-gardening dito sa bahay. Hoy, anong ginagawa mo?
Dapat tinitrim mo kasi nagwa-wild.
Yan ba talaga ang term? Hoy, may supervisor sa Say hi!
Oh, Sebi, halika na. You plant na.
Wait, anong tawag dito sa halaman na to?
Oregano.
No.
Pag ako may ubo, at hindi ako matulog sa ubo, kumukuha ako ng sariwa nito. Kaya kukuha ka.
O ngayon naman, naging doktor naman siya.
Ba, ginagawa ko, nawawala ako.
Pakita mo na paano mag-garden.
Hindi, ito muna ang benefits.
I don't know how.
May mga benefits. Anong benefits ng gardening?
Alam mo, nang unang likahin ng tao sa inilagay, sa garden. Si
Oh.
Eva at si Adan, mga hardinero.
Basta kayo mag-garden kami, nasa Boracay kami. Nasa Boracay kami nito.
Yan,
Paano
pagtanim daw nito, tinatanim mo by its branch.
Put the
You
dirt.
put soil, put
Okay.
dirt.
Yan. Hi!
Be careful.
Okay, one more, Sevi.
There.
And then,
Put the plant and then water. So heavy.
Not too many, ha? So,
okay.
if you
Yan.
have the
And then, where do you want to put it?
In my room.
No, I cannot in the room. Here lang,
Yeah.
oh. Okay.
So, magtatanim tayo, Sebi, ng seeds. Tapos uobserbahan natin, ha?
You need seeds. I'm gonna do what I do in school.
Okay.
Oh!
You're making kalat-kalat.
See, I'm not. Guy! I had the seed at my school. I did a project with this.
Oh, how did you plant the
I
seeds?
sort them. Put 4.
Oh. Oh. That's too many, Sebi. Sebi is making loco of the planting.
1.
Don't do that. That mango tree
Okay.
is very pretty.
Why? It doesn't
Ano?
look pretty for me. Looks weird.
Sooner or later,
O yan, Sevi, oh. Yan.
put it there. Para lumaki yung ikaw maglagay ng soil.
Go, 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 go.
Oh, slowly, ha? On the side lang, on the side.
There. Done.
Look at the pot. What's the name of the pot? What is
Mommy
the name?
Pinty.
Oh, surely it will die.
Ba't naman mamamatay?
Ewan ko sa kanya.
Ba't
Sa
inaano
bagay,
niya?
ako buhay pa.
Minamalas niya.
Tignan mo, Sebi, this is not the original tree.
Why?
No, I just put a branch here
But why? Why you have to put a branch?
so that it will grow.
What happens if it doesn't grow?
You will have to try again. You see, I planted this. That's what you call trimming. You are cutting the leaves to expose the trunk. Tamo, nakikita mo
Where?
nito? Sebi, kita mo na yan? Tuloy mo pa ito.
Nice, na-trim na. Ay, gusto lumaba.
What do you want to do next? Play
Play
table
table
tennis?
Table tennis.
Or, okay, let's wash our hands.
Why?
Let's go
Why
here.
my hands are clean?
Isa talaga sa mga struggles natin ngayon ay ang pagkakaroon ng extra income. Kaya naman, may isi-share ako sa inyo. Let me remind you that with Pocket Broker, hindi ka lang basta kumikita ng pera, you will also have a great time. Siyempre, mag-uumpisa yan lahat with registration. During registration, i-enter lang ang promo code and automatically magkakaroon ka na ng 100% bonus on your first deposit. Nung nag-start ako mag-explore about trading for myself, na-discover ko na ang daming features ang Pocket Broker na wala sa iba. At may bago silang feature na pwede nyong i-customize ang platform appearance according to your liking. Pinalitan ko ang theme color to light and sinetup ko ito with multi-charts. Pwede din kayo mamili for yourself and choose to display either 1 or 4 charts simultaneously. Pwede ring i-activate ang hotkeys for your convenience or choose the colors of your candles to your taste. Let's start with the fact that Pocket Broker holds daily free tournaments with a prize pool of $250 as well as regular giveaways on social networks. Pero ang pinaka-interesting part for me with my path to earning is the cool gamification for trading achievements and activity. I get experience points presented on the site in the form of crystals, and for them, open chests with bonuses for replenishment, risk-free trades, cashback, and much more. At hindi lang yun ha, Pocket Broker has a huge community of traders. You can meet experienced traders, find like-minded people, and share your achievements and news from the world of trading. Ayan, now that we talked about the features of Pocket Broker, let's now move on to the most important stage, ang trading. Do you also want to earn easily? Ilalagay ko sa description box and comment section below ang link to Pocket Broker. Follow it at ilagay ang promo code when you register and get 100% for your first deposit. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon sa extension ng mga mami. Hindi ko sila naiintindihan kung kailan kami nawala ni Alex dito tsaka siya extend ng bahay. Ano bang purpose nitong other extension? Para sa?
Ginawa itong extension nito para ma-extend ang bahay.
Okay, sino mag-i-score? Hindi ako marunong eh. Uy, paano mag-score?
Out. My point. My point.
Oh, point is heavy.
Okay. First to make 11.
Easy.
Naka! Last three! Wow!
This point. This point.
Si Andad, oh, it's a tie. Close fight.
Now my
Eh,
point.
kasi ang
10.
ano niya is, ang
All
after
10.
class niya is table 10.
All 10.
I'm so sweaty. I'm the sweatiest man in the
Oh, look at them. It's a tie. Magaling
Game.
sila.
game.
It's a tie.
My point. I win.
Hindi na!
Yeah.
Wow! Okay, wait. Tinanong ko ang daddy, bakit kung kailan kami umalis ni Catherine sa bahay, kayo naman extend ng bahay? Eh, wala nang tao. Kayo na lang dalawa. Ha? Do you have an extended family? Naging...
I want to swim.
Nagkamali ka? Nagkamali ka? Gato kalaki.
Whoa!
Let's use the chalk. It will make
have
piyok-piyok.
I have chalk.
Oh, you
Move
see?
back.
Because you don't have chalk.
Yeah. You win the bed. Nah, that's...
Oh! Oh, almost.
No! Rebound it. Nah.
Buti na lang nagkaroon ako
No,
ng
this is
apong
gonna be a
lalaki.
foul.
Kasi puro babae.
No! No, 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 no!
Puro makamami.
Move, you
Ngayon,
can move.
meron na akong
Oh, it's
apong
foul.
lalaki.
You can move.
It's a foul.
Yeah.
It's a fouler.
I know. I still 6. There's still 6.
Nung umalis na kami ni Catherine sa bahay,
I don't
biglang
know.
nagkaroon ng mga hobby ang daddy.
Lola Ball winning.
Wala na kasing
Yeah,
binabantayan.
I let Lola Ball.
Oh!
My plan is I'll let Lola Ball clear all the balls.
Ngayon, meron siyang me time.
Nah.
Dahil may asawa na ang kanyang mga
Unless we shoot
anak.
the white ball.
What is the price?
No, nothing.
No, the price gets... He
I
can
don't need
finally relax.
Yeah, I have already. My dad bought. There's
Oh, it's a Miss Philippines.
And enjoy
I
life
don't want that.
with his apos.
Oh! Who is the Boracay girl?
Lola Ball?
Dahil may nag-aalaga na
You
sa
found?
anak niya.
Why? Easy, I can beat you. It's all.
It's Daddy's turn.
Nah, bro. Nah.
Oh, it's a Miss Philippines. It's a scratch.
Yes.
I really like bringing my kids to my old home.
Wait, what happened? Wait, what happened?
Nah. Yeah.
Oh. Wait. Oh. Oh, short. Who's this?
Nah,
Who's
it's
this?
gonna be mine.
Wait, who's this?
Sino panalo?
Nah.
Oh my God.
No! Did you miss it on purpose?
Sebi, who is your idol? In billiards?
Efren.
Efrem Bata Reyes?
Yeah. GG.
Nanalo siya. So now, you can swim! Okay, swimming! Go!
And there are two asungot.
Is it?
She can swim.
Okay.
Ready? Come swim.
Pag may free time kami ni Paul from work, we try to see to it na madala namin ang mga bata sa Taytay. Nakakatuwa na makita silang nag-e-enjoy sa bahay kung saan ako dati nakatira. Nakakatuwa na dati, binibisita lang ako ni Paul dito nung nangliligaw. Pero 18 years after, may 2 kids na kaming dala. Yan ang kasiyahan ng mga daddy ngayon. Ang dalawin sila ng kanyang mga apo.
We made those babies.
Feeling.